You know something? It's been a while. I think it's been a while since I've made a little vid. But I need to show everybody the view from my window, man. If you look over there, you might see a sliver of lake, and that's Lake Windermere. But look at this place here, man. Watch out. Watch out. Look at this. Look, wait, you see more mountains over there? Look, let me just move the camera so. Watch out. Look at this place. Look at that sky. Look at the beauty. What nature provides for us if we can appreciate them things, you know? Alright, couple car there at the car park, but watch out. Look at this. Beautiful, man. How do I close into that? Let me see. Yeah, man. Yes, watch out. Whoa, the mountain all up there, watch. Mountain beautiful. Can't see no. All the mountain them there. Watch out. Look at that shit, man. Bird them a fly. Jesus, Lord have mercy, life goodie. I saw me say.